Hey everyone! If you store sensitive information in Microsoft OneNote, such as personal details, financial records, passwords, or confidential work notes, it's a good idea to add an extra layer of protection. OneNote allows you to password protect individual sections, so only people with the correct password can view them. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to password protect notes in Microsoft OneNote step by step, so let's get started. First, open Microsoft OneNote and navigate to the notebook that contains the section you want to protect. Remember that password protection is applied to sections, not entire notebooks or individual pages. Right-click the section you want to secure. From the menu, choose the option to password protect the section. Depending on your version of OneNote, this may appear as password protect this section or under the section protection settings. Enter a strong password and confirm it. Choose something that's difficult to guess but easy for you to remember. OneNote cannot recover your password if you forget it, so be sure to store it somewhere safe. After creating the password, you can manually lock the section whenever you're finished using it. The section can also lock automatically after a period of inactivity, depending on your settings. When you need to access the protected section again, simply click it and enter your password. You can also change or remove the password later through the same password protection menu if needed. Keep in mind that password protection is available only for notebook sections and is supported primarily in the desktop versions of OneNote. I mean, some mobile and web versions let you view protected sections but offer fewer password management options, and that's how to password protect notes in Microsoft OneNote. Adding a password to important sections is a simple way to keep sensitive information secure while still enjoying all of OneNote's organization features. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more OneNote tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.